Hello everyone, this is Mr. Francis. Let us look at volume of cubes, cuboids, triangular prisms, and cylinders. So under volume of cubes and cuboids, so to calculate the volume of a cube or a cuboid, we use the formula the volume is equals to length, you multiply by the width, then you multiply by the height. Like here you have your length, you have your width, and then you multiply by the height. So example, you are told to calculate the volume given that the width is 5 centimeters, length being 6 centimeters, and a height of 12 centimeters. Meaning, what will you do? You will take your length, that is 6, multiply by the width, so that is the base area, with length times width, then you multiply by your height, and you get your volume as 360 centimeters cubic. So always remember to indicate the units. So for volume, you will always have this superscript 3. It could be meter cubic, centimeter cubic, and so on. We move on. Formula of triangular prisms. To calculate the volume of triangular prisms, we use the formula. Volume is equals to the cross-section area, or the area of the cross-section, then you multiply by the length. So the cross-section area of the prism, it is this triangle. So you do the formula for this triangle, the area of this triangle, then you multiply by the height. So we have the area of a triangle being a half base times height, so it is a half times the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 6. So that one you get 24. So then you multiply by the length, that is 7. So you have 24 times 7, you get 168 centimeters cubic. We go to example 2. We have a triangular prism. The cross section is the triangle, this one the base, then this is the length, a half times 4 times 5, you get it as 10, then you multiply by 6, you get 60 centimeter cubic. So we move on to volume of cylinders. To calculate the volume of the cylinder, the formula is volume is equals to pi r squared height. So the pi being 22/7 or 3.14, multiply by r squared, meaning it is r times r, radius by itself, then you multiply by the height. So this is how it is done. Step 1, pi r squared is the formula for calculating the area of the circle, which is the cross-section area of a cylinder. So this is the cross-section, and the height, this perpendicular height over here. So you do pi r squared, so that is 22/7. You multiply by this radius you are given here by 7 again, then you get it as 154 centimeter squared. So the cross-section area, this 154, you multiply it by 10, which is the height. This is the height, this one, and you get your answer as 1540 centimeters cubic.